Good afternoon, guys. We come down with one more update and a live trading session with our indicator. As you can see, it's very precise, and the entry is actually very precise. If you guys thinking, "Oh, this cannot be possible," it is possible because this signal is actually been populated previously, not now. If you can go back, you can see 7. Yep, it's precisely and sophisticated engineering done. See, it's been calculated from here. When we get the signal over here and we wait for the price to come up there, and we waited, and boom, in. I hope you guys enjoying it, and after getting the full tutorial you will find how to use it and what to look for, and hope everything will be alright. Thank you.